Well, you guys, blizzard number 2 has struck. It's only been a week since our last blizzard, and another one has rolled through. This one has done some serious damage. There are over 300 power poles down. So we are currently without power at our house. So we are moving into the RV tonight. This will be our first night staying in the RV. Definitely not how we expected to spend our first time in the RV. Obviously hoping to, be out in the sunshine next to a lake for staying in it for the first time, but so thankful that we actually have this. A lot of places without power for going on 24 hours now. I've got the heat fired up in here already. It's starting to warm up. We've got the solar panel on here to keep our battery charged. Hopefully it'll last through the night. If not, I can always hook the truck up to the battery too and get the auxiliary power going that way. It's only supposed to get down to 10 degrees tonight, so cold, but North Dakota winter gets way colder than that typically, so fortunately it's not crazy, and the wind is supposed to let up in a little bit here too, so it's not supposed to be windy all night. We're working on getting some stuff moved in to make it a little bit livable. I have no idea how long the power is going to be out. We've heard mixed things. Started getting power to some of the towns, so we've heard that it could be soon. We've also heard that there's a main transformer down and it could be 2 to 3 days. See how this fun experience goes. Working on getting some stuff set up in the trailer. I figured I'd share with you this fun little product we got. These are Betty's bedding. Alicia did a bunch of research and ended up going with these. They apparently zip on somehow. I don't know exactly all the details. I know people have raved about them in the different RV groups. Got one for our bed and this one for Turlai's bed. Let's go ahead and get this set up. All right, literally could not be easier to put on. The whole thing fits together. It's basically you put it on like a fitted sheet, and then you have your fitted sheet. Inside here, you got your flat sheet and your comforter on top. Like I said, the whole thing zips closed, so you're not gonna have any comforter sliding off of there. The other great thing about using this for the RV is that when we are traveling on travel days, we can just take and put things inside here, zip them up, and not have to worry about them falling. Like any decorations we have on the wall or anything that might be a little bit more fragile, just throw it in there, zip it up, and it's safe for the drive. I think these are gonna serve us really well. We'll go ahead and drop a link down below in the description for you in case you're interested in them. Like I said, we'll give a review after we've actually slept in them, see how comfortable they are, but the reviews we've heard, they were just amazing. The other question we have though, so our RV came with a cheap Serta mattress, and we've heard horrible things about the mattress that came with this. So we're definitely gonna want to upgrade our mattress. My goodness, it's hard to find reliable sources for what to get for a mattress. Ouch, I just kicked the bench. So, if you have any recommendations for a mattress we should get, we would love to get those down in the description. We've been looking into like the different box mattresses, like Purple and Ghost and all those. We're looking for something obviously comfortable, can get some longevity out of it, isn't gonna just fall apart right away. All right, and there is Turlai's Betty's all set up, ready to go. So we still haven't had any definitive word on the power coming back on tonight, so we are definitely planning on getting shifted out to the RV soon. The sun's gonna start going down soon, so we wanna get moved out here before that happens. Wish us luck, and we'll keep you updated on everything. So this storm wasn't nearly as bad as the last one in terms of like amount of snow we got. I mean, we definitely got some snow, but total inches definitely are not. I mean, probably not more than like 6 inches. Obviously in places it's drifted up higher, that's probably, 2 feet or so there. The big thing that happened with this one though is we got a lot of freezing rain, and just a lot of rain in general to start out with. So everything got covered with a thick sheet of ice before the snow even started to fall. And then we ended up getting, typical blizzard winds, 50-mile-an-hour gusts blowing through here. So the gusts, the weight of the ice on everything. Our whole town is without power. I can hear generators running all around town right now. We're so fortunate that we got this and have it set up and ready to go and propane filled and everything. The one big advantage of living in a place where it seems to be perpetual winter is we can make a temporary refrigerator by just putting stuff in a tote and setting it outside in the snow. The other super fun thing that's happening with all this is Alicia and Turley have both come down with a stomach bug. So you don't see them really on the videos much. That's why they're not feeling great. But as always with our family, we'll make the best of every situation. You excited?
Yeah!
What are we doing tonight?
We're sleeping in our trailer.
For the first time, huh?
Yeah.
And why are we doing it tonight?
Because we don't have any power.
That's right.
And if we don't have any power, the lights might go out and we might get cold.
That's right. Yeah, the temperature in the house is starting to drop, huh?
Yeah.
So we got it nice and toasty in the trailer.
Yeah. It's toasty like I'm gonna roast.
You're gonna roast? Yeah.
Into a pizza.
Into a pizza? So a quick update. Power has come back on in our house, but it came back on so late that we've already done bedtime with Turley, so she is in bed, so we are for sure staying out here tonight now. Just hanging out. How you doing?
Feeling a little bit better right now, but still not feeling well.
Yeah, it's rough. First night in the RV definitely was not what we expected, but we'll make the most of it. And yeah, we'll check.
It's an adventure.
Yeah, definitely an adventure. We'll check in with you in the morning. Well, the adventure continues. It is sometime in the middle of the night. I don't know exactly when. And Turley has just thrown up all over her bed. So, fortunately, as you can tell looking around, we do have power back on in the neighborhood and in the house. So we are transferring back into the house. So we will not be spending the night in the RV tonight. Very thankful that the power did come back on. We do have that other place to go now. Turley is inside with Alicia, going to bed. And I've got cleanup duty. Well, another great thing I'm finding about these beddies right now is that the whole top comforter just zips right off if you ever need to throw it in the washer for any reason and get it clean. So, first night in the RV was definitely not what we expected. Definitely an adventure. Hopefully our real first night goes a little bit better. I don't even know what to say at this point. If you stuck with us through this whole video, thank you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more adventures like this. Well, hopefully not like this. Hopefully a little bit better than this. We'll see you next time.